Oh my goodness. Bro. Yeah, that's Come on, man. How long is it gonna take to go to 1,000,000? You're at 784,000 right now. Woo! All I can do is just jump. Look at my robot go. Shoo! No, you're tripping. Oh no, I'm running out. Ah! I got scared. Ow. Yeah. Come on, where am I? Dude! Dude, where am I? Where did my skin go? What the? Oh my goodness. Woo. Where am I? Oh my god! I just spawned. That's kind of fun. You never know. Yo, yo. Whoa. It's gone. Oh my god. My skin is gone. I'm gonna catch you dead, little girl. Come here, little girl. 8-year-old baby. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. What is this, man? What is happening? Bro, what is happening to my skin? My character, you know what I mean? Oh, the girl, I'm gonna pass the girl. I see that girl right there. I'm gonna beat her up. Hey, yo, what? Just kidding. Let's go. Next one. This guy is 1,000,000 right now. Oh my god, I have to pass him. Let's go. We're gonna venture our way to get him. This guy looks like my friend. I don't know why. Let's go. I don't know where am I going, but I know where am I. I think I'm in the sky just saying, oh, ah. Are you serious, Muhammad? Are you serious? If you like the video, I will be happy. I don't know why, but please do it. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna beat him, Muhammad. I'm gonna beat Muhammad. Let's go. Oh my god. Ah! It's getting boring. How these people go that far without getting bored? I'm bored because this game is it's endless. Like there's no ending. So what are you supposed to do in this game? Like there's no end. It just copies the same road, same city. Many millions of time. I don't think the owner did it. I think the robots did. And then they just made this game. Bruh. So what are you gonna supposed to do? Like wait for like 50 million years? Actually, like the Dino game is like 17 million years. So if you wait for 17 million, you know what? It's impossible to like. No. If you set a robot to 17 million years with unlimited charger batteries, you will see the ending. And the owner of that thing, Google, didn't even show what's the ending. People's predictions are like a sad ending, good ending, big dinosaur, Godzilla. You know what I mean? Like those endings, but we don't ever know. Maybe the dinosaur's leg is a robot. It never ends. But my prediction might be the closest one. There's might be an ending shows that it gives you if you finish the thing, they give you your internet back. Like maybe if you finish the game, they will give your internet back. I guess it will give you unlimited internet. Wow, that would be so funny. Like give your internet while you're offline. But maybe it's impossible. Maybe there's a way to actually get the ending fast. Maybe Google will show the ending featurely. Yeah, and the survey server, no one will ever see that ending. My predictions are that the guard gave up, the guard gave up and just go back to where he was. And then the robot, no, not the robot, the man. I didn't saw that, Muhammad. Maybe. Well, the man, like, again made it. Paint the cranes. Oh, that would be so bad ending. And Flappy Bird, the Mario ending. But we'll never know what's after the Mario. Maybe it never ends. You know those temple game? My predictions are that the temple game, endless game, whatever, game's ending might be the, like those thingy. What is those things called? Like those monsters. Those monsters are gonna give up again. In my prediction, every predictions are they give up. Because how can they survive that long running? Even my legs will be dead after walking that far. Wait, what was that? Whoa, okay. Like, it's endless. It's just endless. But if you no. Like those mini endless games, they're not actually endless. They're actually not endless. The predictions are that they give up and then give you a maximum score. They don't tell you that what is the maximum score in Dino and those endless games. Well, the Dino, my calculations may be wrong, but maybe it is like 998 quadrillion. Maybe, I don't know, this is my prediction. Yeah, Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, I actually reached 1 million. Oh my god, I didn't realize. Oh my goodness, no. But we didn't beat Muhammad. We have to first beat Muhammad and then the video will end. Or it ends when I die. Whoa! We gotta beat Muhammad. Let's see how long can I go. It's been 1 million. Or 5,000 coins. This is gonna go on forever, isn't it? Let's go. Ah, this is scary. Come on, Muhammad. 8,000 away. It's one. Come on, Muhammad. I'm gonna put you up in the man. Come on, we're so close. The video ends until I die. This is the last time dying, maybe. Maybe, but I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Now I have to beat this stupid rabbit. The stupid rabbit is 1.3 million. Nah, you're crippin'. I don't want to die. I want to see can I beat that rabbit. I'm a professional MIB. Yeah, but I'm just kidding. This rabbit looks like a Terminator, to be honest. If Said Sabir Al-Bari, are you watching this? If you are, hello. You thought. Wait. Actually, actual word. This is the actual word. What the hell? Double tap for. Oh my god, I didn't even realize that. Double tap for a freaking board. Eid Mubarak, and Eid is tomorrow, maybe. I think. Yeah, I think it's tomorrow. So, Eid Mubarak, man. I'll see you in May 2nd. Yeah. Ew. I didn't know I had a hoverboard. Oh! Whoa! Wow! I died. That is the last score. 1 million. There it is. That's the number. There it is. We did it. That's the number of our generation. Wait, what? If you want to see more, subscribe and like the video. That's the number. 1,086,396.94. Eid Mubarak, guys. Bye.